No problems there. But when I'm looking at this thing over here, and again, I have not taken a look at the instructions, but you would think that this would just go like this, and then you would somehow use the screwdriver or hand turn some of these things underneath the bird, like right here. But I am not finding Nemo. Nemo is Nemo is not here. Decided to skip out. He's a truant today. He's not at school. So therefore, I'm guessing there must be some other way of connecting these down there. It's important to have good landing gear, and it's important for landing gear to actually be attachable. So...
Likey